10,000 followers or to 11,000 followers and above. So, where I name a program, that is during the time of this program, but they do the time like 2-3 weeks to the program. Everybody was busy preparing, putting things in place for the World Conference in Kampala. So I didn't have much time to look into so many things. People were showing me on social media, tagging me, a whole lot of things. The ones that are meaningful, the ones that are meaningless. People were tagging me up and down. So I said I was going to use bring out time immediately after the program to address some of it. And these things are, number one, the most important thing there is people, upcoming bloggers, old bloggers, more especially the useless ones, have formed habits of using Zara Ministry to grow their page. They have formed the habit of using Zara Ministry, Prophet Ebuka Obi, to grow their dead page. I came here to give a straight directive and to contribute to us what will help us to stop them from doing that. Since we all know, I hope you guys are hearing me. Are you guys hearing me? Let somebody say yes, so I know you are hearing me. Because people are still greeting and greeting and greeting and greeting. Good evening, everybody. Alright, network is weak. Are you guys hearing me? If you guys are hearing me, indicate in the comment section. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Are you guys hearing me, please? So, hi. Okay, bright. Okay, say you're hearing me. Okay, thank you. So, yeah, Igbo, thank you very much for hearing me. Yeah, Angela, thank you. So, it's now clear that now a lot of people, when they want to grow their page, when they want to open a new page and get traffic for people to follow them, they will start saying negative things about Zara Ministry and Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I want to make a stress suggestion to the lovers of Zara Ministry, the lovers of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, because I took time and go through all the videos, posts that I was tagged during the time of this crusade, that everybody was very busy making things to work normal. If you keep commenting on their page, whether you are abusing them, whether you are cursing them, whether you are talking down on them, if you keep commenting on their page, they'll be getting views, they'll be getting reactions from Facebook, and they'll be making money from you. If you keep commenting on their page, reacting on their page, say even abusing them, abusing their mother, their wife, their children, you are helping them to get that, to grow that page, and you are also helping them to make money. You are helping those jobless, useless bloggers to make money and to grow their page. Direct or indirect. Direct or indirectly, you are making them popular. This is an open suggestion. am not hiding it. In a lawful position, nobody bought your phone for you, and nobody is buying you data. If you think they are post anything you don't like against Zara Ministry or against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, go ahead and report that page. Report the page and leave. Don't comment. By reporting the page, Facebook will also be seeing that the person is also posting irrelevant things. Facebook itself will also say the person is posting irrelevant things. Don't comment, don't abuse him. Don't react, don't press like or hate or anything. Just report the page and leave. These are, if it is possible, cut this clip, cut this particular clip. This thing I'm saying now, cut it and post it on your pages for everyone to see. If you're a lover of Zara Ministry, if you're a true lover of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, don't comment, don't abuse them. Abusing them is you are still helping them to grow their page. So since they want to use Zion to attract traffic in their page, and you yourself, you don't like it, you are not comfortable with the activities the blogger is using Zion to do in his or her page, it's either you ignore him or her, or unfollow the person, or report the page. The best thing you will do is to let us all join hands from henceforth and stop this madness. Don't react, don't comment. If you are commenting, no matter whatever thing you're commenting, negative, positive comment, it is still to his or her own benefit. Sometimes they post these things for you to come and give those your negative comments. Facebook will still pay them. So the nicest thing we should be doing, the lovers, I will even call most of bloggers who speak in the favor of Zionist and Evangelist Ebuka Obi, who love the good things God is using him to do in the life of the people. I will still call the good people who surround Zion Ministry and speak in her favor. I will also advise them to cut this video and post it in their various pages. Once you see where they are speaking ill against Evangelist Ebuka Obi or against Zion Ministry or against any of our activities in the Zion Ministry, go ahead and report that page and leave. Commenting there, you are helping them. Commenting there, you are helping them to get the traffic they needed. Report the page, leave the page, or unfollow and leave the page. These are the only things you will do if you think you really want to help. Abusing the person, saying all sorts of evil things in his comment section, you are still helping him. He is still using that your comment to get money from Facebook. You know, most of them are jobless. Facebook is their warehouse. Like I will always say, anybody who's his Facebook account in his packing store and the warehouse, I can never take you serious.
And I see you handling Zion microphone for testimony. Your case is already settled. In the name of
so, Chizoba, you are still doing them good by commenting anything. I don't know if you really understand what I'm saying. You are still doing them good by saying you must be commenting. You don't allow them to say anything against Evangelist Ebuka Obi against that. No, report the page. So you commenting anything is helping them. So I saw a whole lot of tags. People tagged me. This one said this one said that. I saw all of them after this program, which is yesterday night, when I was able to relax to go through my Facebook and social media handles. But you commented, and I saw a whole lot of Zionite commenting, saying also, you are helping them to grow their page for crying out loud. You are supporting them indirectly without knowing. You are supporting them indirectly. Report the page, because when I look at all the messages, all the comments there, the 90% of every page that speak bad against Evangelist Ebuka Obi or that person, all the negative messages there are Zion members, and you are promoting that page indirectly which you do, which you would not want to intentionally do. So if you see them, this is a very just a quick one. I just want to drop this here. By Sunday, we will start our normal program with Sullivan. So if you see anyone posting anything that is against your own belief, against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, against Zaha ministry, go ahead and report that page. Once you report it, you leave. So he will be using your comment, those your negative comments you are making. You think he is not getting from it, he is getting from it. So this one is no longer propaganda. There are concerns calling some people to report page. I have said it on air. It is on air. Don't comment on their post anymore. Please and please. Do not comment. Cut these things. Cut this my video. Post it on your platform. Post it on your page for everybody to see. Please. So I think that is the nicest way we can use to follow them this time around. They won't use us, either our negative or our positive words, to be making money. Tomorrow he will come and he or she will come and post again. You go there and start commenting, abusing them, and they're using the abusive words you are dropping there to still make money. So automatically they are using you, they are using your emotions, they are using you right or left and right, they are using you. So from henceforth, call this video, this is a quick one. I don't want to stay here more than 20 minutes. At least almost 160 people is watching live. So when these 160 people post it on their platform, other people will see that, other people will copy it and share and post. Copy this particular thing I just said now. So lastly,